Hi guys, today we are discussing about contraction words. Okay, let's get started. What is words? What is words? It is. It's. It is. It's. It is. It's. Must not. Mustn't. Did not. Didn't. इसे दो वे से बोला जाता है. Did not. Didn't. Did. Does not. Doesn't. Had not. Hadn't. Had not. Hadn't. There is. There's. Where is. Where's. You are. You are. I will. I'll. Was not. Wasn't. Was not. Wasn't. Was not. Wasn't. That is. That's. Were not. Want. आर हल्का सा जाहिर होगा, आर पढ़ा नहीं जाएगा इसमें, ठीक है, हल्का सा प्रोमिनेंट होगा. Want. Cannot. Can't. Could not. Couldn't. Have not. Haven't. I am. I have. बी की प्रोनाउंसिएशन और हमारे दांत नीचे वाले होंठ. I love. होंठ लग रहे हैं वहाँ. Love. Lovely. Is not. Isn't. Should not. Shouldn't. They are. We are. We are. You have. You. She is. She's. Has not. Hasn't. Bye-bye.